Everyone. My name is Satish and I am going to brief you about our company NCL Veka Limited, who are mainly into UPVC profile extrusion in India. NCL Veka Limited is basically a joint venture between NCL Group from Hyderabad and Veka AG from Sendenhorst, Germany. The two giants have combined experience of more than 90 years in window manufacturing. NCL Group is basically a 2000 crore turnover company with more than 40 years of industrial excellence. Some of the products dealt by NCL Group are cement, which is the main product, and NCL stands for Nagarjuna Cement Limited. Next comes the Bison panel or Bison board, which is nothing but cement particle boards. We also deal with RMC, that is ready mixed concretes. Next comes the NCL Buildtech Limited, which is again part of NCL Group and who are mainly into Alltech paints and putties and also experts in steel window manufacturing. We have also recently entered into flush doors under the brand name Dura Doors. Veka is one of the global leader in UPVC profile extrusion. Veka is present in global market with an overall turnover of around $1.2 billion and spread across 35 different countries in three different continents. Veka is having extrusion facilities in 25 different countries and India is one of them. This is the extrusion facility in Veka AG, Sendenhorst. So now coming to Indian network, Veka operates in two different ways. First is the direct sales and other is through our authorized channel partners or authorized fabricators. We have around 120 such fabricators spread across India who deal only with Veka profiles. All our fabricators are professionally trained and equipped with sophisticated machineries to fabricate excellent quality windows and doors. If you see the map, Veka is having its extrusion facility in Hyderabad and Veka is also having its experience center in two different places as of now, which is in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and is also planning to set up the experience center in Chennai and Delhi in near future. This Veka's extrusion facility in Hyderabad, which is around 1.2 lakh square feet area, spread across 17 acres land and has 18 fully automated extrusion lines with total capacity of the building to accommodate around 30 extrusion lines, and overall land parcel can have a total of 90 extrusion lines, which is almost future ready for expansion. This is how the extrusion unit looks from inside. You can see the extrusion lines, and also we have a separate warehouse and we can maintain a stock of around 200 tons of profile all the time, so that we can supply profiles to our authorized fabricators across India just in time without any delay. This indicates how our company has grown from financial year 2012 till financial year 2019. Currently our production capacity is 18,000 tons per annum, or in layman's language we can supply window to around 3 lakh homes per annum, which is really a huge quantity, and currently there are no other companies who can match this. Now coming to some of the salient features of Veka windows. First one is lead free. All our windows are lead free and is environment friendly and also certified under green building. Next comes the excellent weatherability. We have developed co-extruded glazing beads which ensures that the windows have the same performance in spite of any harsh weather conditions. All our windows comes with multi-chambered profiles and U value between 1.2 to 2.5, due to which there is low heat transfer inside the house and hence is energy efficient. Now next comes the long lasting strength. Most UPVC tends to change its color and property due to sustained exposure to UV radiation. The engineered blend used in Veka windows are UV stabilized, that gives it a long life. And next is the healthier indoor air. High quality wool pile and double layer ceiling ensure that dust and pollution are barred from your home. Next comes the safe and secure. With a concealed reinforcement to withstand high wind pressure and fluctuating loads, making the window safe and secure. These are some of the certificates. First is lead free certificate, which indicates no lead content in our profiles and hence is environment friendly. All our profiles are tested for chemical and physical properties at CPATE, which is a government organization. Our windows are also tested for air permeability, water tightness, wind resistance at Vinol Technologies Chennai, which is affiliated with the Singapore based company. It is tested for both casement as well as sliding windows. Our windows are also tested for maximum wind pressure at 3.6 kilopascal at Facade India Testing Incorporation. Now these are some of the advantage of VECA windows. All our windows are made as per German technologies and tropical climate condition to suit Indian climate condition. Apart from regular sliding and openable, we also offer arch windows, bay windows, top hung, and some of the special windows like tilt and turn, lift and slide, and sliding and folding. We not only make windows but extrude our own profiles. We can cater windows to different parts of India through our largest authorized fabricator network. All our glazing beads are co-extruded and can accommodate glass from 6 mm to 24 mm thickness. We have 18 extrusion lines, which is largest in India. All our profiles are extruded as per EN 12608 standards. Our main USP is gasket, which is called as TPE gasket. TPE stands for thermoplastic elastomers, which is extruded along with profile in our extrusion unit and comes with 10 years warranty. These gaskets are better than regular EPDM gaskets and are weldable. All our profiles come with multi-chambers for optimal thermal and sound insulation. With local production facility and accessories warehouse, we can supply material to fabricators just in time. We have one of the largest fabricator network across India. This map indicates wind speed at different parts of India as per IS 875. If you see, wind speed is not same across India. Wind speed is low at Bangalore, which is only 33 meters per second, whereas very high at northeast region at 53 meters per second. We have different sections designed for different wind speed areas. We at NCL VECA just don't put windows together, but we engineer them to be perfect. Our PVC resins are sourced mainly from Reliance and a rigid high strength material designed for robust usage in construction industry, which is easy to process, recyclable and very safe for domestic and industrial applications. As I explained earlier also, our main USP is TPE gasket, which is weldable and comes with 10 years warranty. We also offer double layer gasket to ensure proper sealing to eliminate dust and pollutants. Now coming to technical part, we have different series both in sliding as well as casement. In sliding we offer I44, I50, I60, I64 and I75 series, and in casement we offer I39 series and I60 series. In I50 series, 50 mainly stands for thickness of 2-track profile, and keeping that as base, we design 2.5 track, which is with mesh. Similar way, in I60 series, 60 stands for 2 track, and apart from 2.5 track, we also offer 3 track for full height sliding doors, in which in this series, just like I60, we have I64 series also, in which it is mainly used for retail segment. This is mainly more sturdier and most preferred sections in individual homes. We also have I75 series, which is our largest profile section in sliding, and we can offer sliding doors as large as 10 feet height using this series. Now coming to casement, we have regular openable casement window as well as casement with grill and mesh. In compact series, we have both casement and sliding. I39 mainly used for ventilators, both top hung as well as with louvers, and I44 is mainly used for very small windows, windows of size say below 4 feet by 4 feet. So this series which I explained comes under VECA I series, which are extruded in India. So apart from this series, we also offer VECA Diamond series, which are imported from VECA factory. Veka Diamond is basically super premium series which comes with 5 chambers and wall thickness of around 2.8 mm. Whereas in Veka I series the wall thickness will range from 2.4 mm to 2.6 mm. In Veka Diamond again we have different series like Matrix 60, SS73, SS90 under sliding, AD70 and Matrix 60 under casement, and also one special system called as lift and slide. Each shutter can go up to 3 meter by 3 meter height in this lift and slide system. We also offer special colors called spectral laminated color range for Veka Diamond. In Veka I series we offer 4 different laminated colors. One is mahogany, rustic oak, golden oak and anthracite grey. These are images of some of the profiles in different series using which windows are fabricated. Now for a window to work perfectly, there should be proper hardwares as well. Our main specialty is we are into hardwares as well as under a brand name called Oben. We offer excellent quality hardware which has been tested for corrosion and durability as per international standards. They are mainly outsourced from leading hardware manufacturers across the world. These are some of the major projects we executed. Though we have customers across India, we have covered projects executed mainly in Bangalore in this presentation. This is Satwa Greenage in Bangalore, Godrej Air Bangalore, Satwa Opus Bangalore, L&T Raintree Boulevard Bangalore, Mantri Web City Bangalore, Mantri Lithos Bangalore, Mantri Serenity Bangalore, Mantri Alpine Bangalore, Prestige Parkview Bangalore, Nitesh Central Park Bangalore, Durga Petals Bangalore, Provident Sunworth Bangalore, MGR Pearl Bangalore, Brigade Juniper Bangalore, Mantri Euphoria Hyderabad, Palm Breeze Villas Hyderabad, Mantri Courtyard Bangalore, Private Residency in Chennai, Hotel Hyatt in Rameshwaram, Bhashyam Pinnacle Crest in Chennai, is the IIT campus in Hyderabad, Mantri Synergy in Chennai, Mahindra Equality in Chennai, Meenakshi Sky Lounge in Hyderabad, and these are the list of some of our prestigious clients. Thank you. So if you have any requirement, you can contact me. My name is Satish and my phone number is 94481 77847. Thank you again.